Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I have in front of me today one of my new favorite products for embroidery. This is the MagFrame Kit. It's on ColemanandCompany.com, and it's made for both the Avance 1201C and 1501C. The MagFrame Kit is really cool because it will save you tons of time in hooping, but it's also great for hard to hoop items. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how it works. So you're going to find full assembly directions on the product page, but also in the instructions in the box. So we're going to start this video today with putting our frame on. First, you're going to select which one is best for your job. This frame is really nice for tote bags, and we're simply just going to insert it onto our home unit here. We'll secure it on the knob, making sure the pegs are through the hole, and tighten this bolt so that it's nice and secure. The next step will then be to put your object on the frame when it's already on your machine. But we do want to make sure that we have a backing on first. For this project, we are going to use a peel and stick backing, and I'll show you how that works. I love this in combination with the MagFrame because it's just really easy to use. It's going to make your life a lot easier. So I'm flipping my tote bag inside out. I'll then tear a piece of my backing. The peel and stick is also a tearaway. Then I'll remove the backing and I'll stick it in the place where I want my embroidery to be. Then I can flip my bag back around and we can go ahead and put this on our frame. Now I can insert my bag on the frame and get it centered up so that it's ready to sew out. We want to make sure that the bottom of our bag is away from the machine so that we don't sew it together or anything. And I see my backing is right here over my frame, and so I'm ready to grab my magnets. The MagFrame Kit will come with both small and larger size magnets. You'll just use whatever is best sized for the frame you're using. Once you have your object nice and centered up in place, you'll grab the magnet with the ear facing out and you'll just attach it into place. You'll see that these are super strong, so you kind of just want to let it go and let it attach itself. And it's going to secure the object, making it nice and tight. Do this one. All right, and we'll do this outer edge. These do have a pretty tight grip, so when you're taking them off, it's best to just slide them instead of trying to pull. Slide that into place. Right, so now we've completely skipped the step of hooping, and this is ready to sew. With the MagFrame, you won't be using a hoop selection, so you do want to make sure that you go ahead and trace your design, making sure that you're not going to hit the frame or the magnets. Once that's nice and set in place, you can go ahead and begin sewing out your design. Our parrot's now done sewing out, and I'm going to go ahead and take our MagFrame off of the base home unit to take the magnets off. It'll just be a little easier to work with on my workstation. So remember, these are really strong magnets, so it might be easier to slide them off instead of trying to pull them away. All right, then I can go ahead and take my MagFrame out of the inside of the bag. And remember, we did use the peel and stick backing for this. So I'll just go in here, tear off a corner, and remove the excess away from our design. And there we go. Now we have a completed tote bag. So if you're interested in getting some new accessories for your Avance embroidery machines, like the MagFrame Kit, go ahead and visit ColemanandCompany.com. And if you need any help, you can live chat with our supply pros right then and there. Thanks for watching.